What's good? How's the honey beauty bees? It's me, Byron Shears, Busy Bee, your gay bae, and I'm back with another video here on our channel. I'm gonna do something a little bit different today, you guys. We are just going to hang out and put together this IKEA ×9 drawer. So you guys saw when I went to IKEA how crazy and hectic that was, okay? So finally, I've got everything organized, cleaned up, put away. I got the ×9 drawer put together. Everything looks great. And so I figured, because I also like to watch videos that are about organization and putting things together, I really like them. I think they're soothing. So I decided to put something together for you guys, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. If you like videos like this, make sure you comment down below. I'm not going to really show you guys product that I have in this particular video. I will come back and do another video if you guys want to see. Comment down below if you want to see that, right? So if you guys want to see exactly what's in my updated collection, how I organize these beautiful drawers, and exactly what I fill them with, what products I got rid of, what products I decided to keep. If that's a video that you guys are interested in, please let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you are a beauty bee. How do you become a beauty bee? Well, you have to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button next to it. You will see a small bell. Click that bell and click all, so that way you can get all notifications, and make sure your notifications are turned on for YouTube, so that way you can get all notifications here on our channel. And yeah, I don't want to hold you guys up. I don't want this to be a long video. It's kind of short. I did do a time lapse. Look, I tried my best to record this video as well as I possibly could. You guys know I'm working on limited space and limited means, but I'm trying to do my best, okay? So skin is popping. Thank you, Juvia's Skin, okay? If you guys want to see what's in my stash, make sure you comment down below. I'll make sure I do a video for you guys. And if you like videos like this, make sure you hit the like button. That way the algorithm knows it, I know it, I can produce more content like this for you. Well, not a whole lot, okay? Because I'm not going to be just cleaning my drawers just so you guys can come back and watch me clean up. But if you like this video, just let me know, so that way in the future I'll know to make another video like this. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you are enjoying your holiday season with your family and your friends and your loved ones. Check on those who you love. That's all I have to say. I don't have anything else to say. I'm about to go and vlog, so thank you guys for showing so much love on my first vlog. It was really fun trying to push myself creatively to see exactly like what I can do. We're gonna do it again. Look forward to seeing that. If you guys want to stay in contact with me during my video uploads here on YouTube, feel free to do so on my other social media platforms, on Twitter, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, all at Byron Shears 1. I will leave the links in the description bar down below. I'll also leave the links to anything, products that I used, just in case you want to find the same products that I use to organize your drawers. And they'll all be in the description box. So check the description box. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you turn your notifications on. And let me know in the comments of anything else that you want to see. And I'm going to get off because this opening is far too long. Okay? So let's just go to what you want to see, child. Bye.